Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Oppo Reno8 versus Oppo Reno8 Z. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's see the detail of camera. Let's start with Oppo Reno8. Its primary camera has 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or SDR LED flash. Let's discuss Oppo Reno8 Z. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 64 megapixel aperture 1.8, micro camera of 2 megapixel or depth camera of 2 megapixel or SDR LED flash. Let's come on price. Oppo Reno8 come around 30,000 of $377 of 6GB RAM or Oppo Reno8 Z come around 29,000 of $365 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Oppo Reno8 versus Oppo Reno8 Z. Design wise both the phone have good looking design, display are also good, camera is also good on both the phone, hardware is better on Oppo Reno8, connectivity are same, there is a better charger on Oppo Reno8 and price is better on Oppo Reno8 Z. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching our video.